Greetings, everyone. Greetings to one and all. I'm your host, Basimane, aka Mighty Anape. Welcome to Bohosi Coupe. We are back again after a long period of silence. Yes, we bring you a wonderful and well anticipated announcement by many of you. We are back and opening the doors of initiation and to take in new initiates for Paratla, Haro, Kumati Initiatories. The orientation is scheduled to take place on 19th February 2023. The prerequisite to be able to participate in this orientation and the initiation itself, you must speak one of the Nguni languages and or Tswana Sotho languages, or at least have a rudimentary or basic understanding of either. In order to join Bohosi Coupe, we ask that in the Telegram channel of Bohosi Coupe, we ask that you send us an email at 21993145 at protonmail.com expressing your interest in the initiation, and you'll be provided a link plus additional resources. And we further ask that you provide us with your contact information, meaning your phone number and other details that may be necessary for us to be able to reach you. And with that said, we look forward to seeing you on the other side of this presentation.